Hello everyone, welcome back to Josh of Many Things. My name is Josh and I like many things. Today, me and my son are at the post office. So we got something that was too big to go into the mailbox. Let's go see what it is. Okay, we got it. We got it. Now we gotta go home. We gotta go home and put it together. See there. This is the TikTok table, as I like to call it. I've been getting video after video after video about this thing. Finally broke down and got it. I think I ended up getting it for like $23 or $24. So let's get this thing open and get it set up, and then we will figure out what we're going to do with this one. This is how it comes. Here is a better view of what the table is. I'm sure if you're on TikTok, you've probably seen it before. There it is if you want to see it. It's the T-Lift 001. There you go. Okay, so this has got the legs in it. It goes there. This has the lift arms. All right, some black stickers. And that must be for the legs. Okay. Ta-da! We did it!
Is it done?
Yep. Okay, there we have it. That is the infamous TikTok coffee table. With the help of my son, we were able to put it together in about an hour. Not too bad. Construction's pretty good. It's the hinges work well. It's not quite a soft close, but it doesn't slam down, so that's nice. I can work on the top of it when it's lifted up. It holds my food good. I ate my lunch on it after we got it fixed. All in all, I'm pretty impressed for the $25 or whatever it was that I spent on it. Yeah, the construction went together really well. Looking at getting one, I don't see why you shouldn't. That's all I got. So thank you guys for joining me, and until next time.
Bye.